Barry, the happy capybara, loves to play outside. His favorite park is close to his home. Barry loves hopscotch and jump rope. He strengthens his muscles on the monkey bars. Barry's favorite thing to do at the park is to swing on the swings. Barry knows it's almost dinner time. Barry heard his mom yell out that it was time for dinner. Barry tells her that he's coming. Barry runs home for dinner.
Like and subscribe.